Alright guys, I have the Insta360. First time I've ever had a 360 camera. And I'm back here in a secluded place, well, kind of. I might seclude myself just a little further back here. Because people do come back here and ride horses now and then. There's a trail over there. But figured it's a good time. We're in the prime of fall. Halloween's just 2 weeks away. Or 3 weeks away. And I got a little ghost contraption that I got from Walmart that I want to have some fun with. I'm going to hang it on one of the drones and then use the other drone to like orbit around while it's sitting there blowing in the prop wash of the drone. So I'm going to find a place to set up, see what I can come up with. This is why I got to check everything out first. Okay, other way, get over here. Have the Mini4 Pro just sitting over there spinning on cruise control. You can tap one of the buttons in the back set at the cruise control and it just sits there and spins. And actually when it's spinning it seems like it uses up less battery than when it's just hovering there. So just giving it some orbits with the Avata2 here. A lot of fun. Little pre-Halloween Spooktacular. What's these gorgeous leaves out here in this forest?